material world, where things that fade away, yet you keep coming back, 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 of things we know.
The enemy is banning. Your team is banning. The enemy is banning. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Your impudence will not be tolerated.
My weapon is your shield. Ha!
You can't hide from my attacks.
It would take an army to stop me.
Ha! You're still a long way from beating me.
Your whole body is a weak spot. It would take an army to stop me. I'm loyal to my nation. Heroes never fade!
Turtle
Only the
resurrecting
fearless
soon.
ones can soar to the heavens.
Sir, what's your command?
War is a national event. Wherever the turtle ships go, the sea belongs to me. Heroes never fade!
Show me your strength! Ha! Ha!
Your impudence will not be tolerated. Only the heroes never fade!
Enemy double kill!
Redemption, every death.
Fight to the last second.
An enemy has been slain!
Out the way! Charge! Don't be a jelly!
He's my best partner. Bring on the magic feast!
Enemy rampage!
Body must obey the mind.
An ally has been slain.
Pain means weakness.
Impudence heroes never fade!
Our turret is under attack. An ally has been slain.
Enemies are peeping at our land.
An enemy has been slain.
Darkness.
A good soldier needs both brain and gut.
Shadow is my best partner.
I'm the best at being handsome.
It would take an army to stop me. Heroes never fade!
You have slain an enemy. Your team destroyed a turret.
Your impudence is not tolerated.
An enemy has been slain.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens. Heroes never fade!
Our turret is under attack.
Wherever the turtle ships go, the sea belongs to me.
It would take an army to stop me.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Have you seen the other ninja? Shadow is my best partner.
Affirmative.
An enemy has been slain.
War is not a game.
Our turret is under attack.
The shadow will pierce you.
Our turret has been destroyed.
You're still a long way from beating me.
Affirmative.
Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy has been slain.
Not escape. That's the way of the ninja.
It would take an army to stop me. Your impudence will not be tolerated.
An ally has been slain.
Hey, don't touch the hair. Hey.
Shut down. Your team destroyed a turret.
Heroes never fade!
Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy.
Only one is
Killing spree. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Rock doesn't want to be your enemy.
These are
Bring on the magic feast! I have special attack techniques!
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Only one as handsome as I is worthy of such beautiful magic. I'm the best at being handsome. Bring on!
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
I'm the best at being handsome.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Only one as handsome as I is worthy of such beautiful magic. Ha! I'm the best at being handsome.
An enemy has been slain.
Bring on the magic feast!
An enemy has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Hey, don't touch the hair. Only one as handsome as I is worthy.
Team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. An ally has been slain.
I'm the best at being handsome. Bring on the magic feast! Only one as handsome as I is worthy of such beautiful magic. Hey, don't touch the hair.
Lord resurrecting soon.
I have special attack techniques.
Mega kill.
Hey, don't touch the hair. Bring on!
Unstoppable. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Wiped out.
I have special attack techniques.
there's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Yo. Mas Wisnu, gimana Mas? Kabarnya Mas? Sorry, tadi round 1 agak membisu Pak. Soalnya saya buat kopi. Ya, balik lagi di National Arena Contest Indonesia versus Thailand Pak. Ya, tim Indonesia diwakili Exchange, Rian, Sinsdalen, I7 sama Bastian. Biasanya siapa ini? Siapa ya? Aura sama Hinil biasanya ikut Pak. Ini kok tumben nggak masuk dia? Belum fix ya sepertinya ini. Tapi kalau lihat model-modelnya ini Pak, Hinil sama Aura di round 3 mungkin. Lagunya kebanteran Pak. Oh, yuk, udah mulai. Ini fix ternyata ya tim Indonesia Sob.
Your team is banning.
Saya masukkan dulu. Ya, I7 banning hero Pak. Siapa yang di ban? Lancelot, Digi, apa ini? Oke, Digi Pak. Ya, Digi di ban.
The enemy is banning.
Musuh Exotic Sen yang bagian ban. Lancelot. Ya ini hero wajib ban
Your
ya.
team is banning.
Pasti di banet Pak ini Pak, wis rugi Pak belajar ini Pak. Kagura ban.
The enemy is banning.
Wah ini Fanny, sip. Fanny ini bahaya ini Pak. Susah
Your
pegang.
team is picking.
Oke, Exchange sekarang ngepick. Apa ini? Yang dipick. Oh, Akai nggak di ban ya, ini bahaya nih ya. Hero Akai ini. Excense, ayo pick apa Pak? Oh, sesuai prediksi saya Akai di pick pertama.
The enemy is picking.
Soalnya ini tank yang paling bahaya Pak. Susah Pak. Tim lawan Pigaya sama Saber.
Team is picking.
Saber ini ya apa? Bagus ini loh Pak. Itunya skinnya kayak Transformer. Drian ngepick Harley, biasanya Dylan ngepick Yushin Jin. Apa sih namanya? Oh enggak, ternyata dia ngepick ini Pak. Balmorn. Oh bukan, Hilda. Oh Hilda dipick sama Dylan.
The enemy is picking. Your team is picking.
Ini kok chat saya error ya?
The enemy is picking.
Sebentar saya benerkan ini dulu Pak. Chat saya error nggak keluar ini. Nah ini baru keluar. Ya, fix ini tim Indonesia Excense. Oh, sorry. Udah ini ya. Oke, tim Indonesia ada Yushin, Hilda, Zilong, Harley sama Akai. Oke, Dylan pakai Yushin ya, Yisun ya, seperti yang tadi prediksi ya. Hilda Bastian, Zilong Excense, Harley Dren sama Akainya I7. Tim lawan ada
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
duluan masuk, Pak.
Smash them. All troops deployed. With the wind.
Yo, udah mulai Pak. Saya di atas. Oh, langsung ada pertempuran di tengah Pak. Langsung itu di geng, grok di geng Pak. Oh. Itu Saber bahaya ya Pak ya. Yang muser-musernya itu Pak. Masih muser-muser itu. Oh, langsung ke bawah semua sepertinya. Harley ini di tengah sendiri Pak. Ini Zilongnya penciduk Pak. Zilong penciduk. Saya suka ya lihat orang yang main Zilong ini. Oke, Saber sama Harley. Oh, Sabernya ini Pak, nyari minion Pak.
I will not fail my missions.
Dalen sekarang suka sekali pakai ini ya, Yushin ya. Wah, ini di atas. Oh, minionnya dibiarkan ya, masih fokus untuk farm sepertinya. Oh, kena Pak Harley-nya Pak, di geng 4 orang. Aurora langsung turtle saja sama ini, sama Balmond, 2 tank Pak. Oh, Saber ikut bantu. Tim Indonesia fokus sama tower dulu Pak. Masih fokus sama tower bawah kayaknya hancur Pak itu Pak. Oh, dapat pesawat itu siapa Pak? Akai. Oh, nggak dapat ternyata Pak, nggak dapat Pak. Saya kira dapat itu tadi tower bawah itu. Wah, eman Pak. Eman Pak. Oh, ternyata ada. Oh, Akai langsung loncat saja Pak. Oh, nggak dikejar ternyata ya. Nggak dikejar. Oke, Balmond ke tengah Pak. Balmond ke tengah. Bersihkan creep Pak. Oh, ada apa itu, minta bantuan itu, ngambil buff. Nggak dapat kayaknya Pak. Tim Indonesia ngambil keong racun Pak, keong racun. Oh, ditembok saja Pak itu, ditembok. Dalen dikejar Pak, Dalennya di lock sepertinya. Oh, ada Harley coba bantu. Oh, ini bahaya sekali Aurora ini. Oh, itu tinggal dikit Pak groknya. Oke, dihabisi sama Harley. Harley kejar terus, Harley kejar. Harley-nya ngejar Saber Pak. Harley-nya ngejar Saber. Oh, bahaya sekali Pak. Itu ada 3 orang Pak. Mundur Harley, mundur Harley. Wah, ini pengen belajar ini ya saya, apa, Balmond nih, enak kayaknya. Oke, Zilong terus farming Pak, jadikan dulu Pak penghancur tower Pak.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Ya, langsung ulti itu Pak. Hayanya kayaknya masih di semak-semak. Oh, di sana ternyata dikejar sama Zilong, dikejar, diciduk sama. Oh, malah sekarang gantian keciduk Pak. Oh, dikejar tapi sudah terlanjur keburu ya Pak ya. Oh, kena Pak Zilongnya Pak. Zilong kurang sedikit lagi. Oh, ada ulti dari Aurora. Oh, Hildanya kena Pak. Oh, kena dua-duanya. Diciduk sama Saber Pak. Langsung turtle tim Taiwan. Taiwan Pak. Keliru Pak.
Ignorant humans.
Masih ini ya, mencar-mencar ya timnya ya. Tower Indonesia tinggal sekarat itu Pak yang di tengah Pak. Oh, mau diciduk sama si Hilda Pak. Hildanya masih berkutat di tower. Bahaya sekali itu. Bahayanya ngepush di tower Pak.
Witness the real power of the shadow.
Nggak dapet ternyata.
The shadow will pierce you.
Zilong sendirian di tengah. Oh, Bastian terciduk Pak. Oh, disikat Akai mencolot di situ Pak. Zilong coba bantu, tapi kok Aurora Pak. Zilong langsung ngelok Aurora Pak. Kelihatan langsung kena Aurora. Masih ada pertengkaran. Oh, Balmonnya kena Pak. Oh, langsung diajar saja di situ, di semak-semak. Dylan coba bantu, kena lagi itu. Masih hidup Pak. Tiada ada ampun, Groknya masih dikejar sama Dylan. Oh, kena panah maut. Oh, sabernya dapat. Akai Pak. Ini kayaknya nyuri tower ya Pak ya. Temen-temennya lagi tarung, dia nyuri tower Pak.
Witness the real power of the shadow.
Langsung ulti Zilong. Kayaknya mau ambil tower atas. Oh, tapi nggak ada creep Pak. Maju Akai. Kena satu terciduk. Akai, oh kena Akainya langsung ulti tapi tidak sempat, kena dulu. Dylan kena, Drian coba mundur. Ada ulti dari Aurora. Bahaya sekali ultinya Aurora. Aurora ini ultinya itu loh Pak, swaket Pak. Harus di belakang terus soalnya dia itu. Oh, Balmon muter-muter Pak. Balmon muter-muter. Kenapa itu yang dipukul Pak? Oh, terpush Indonesia Pak. Indonesia towernya udah kalah ya Pak ya. Kita coba lihat ini itemnya. Networkingnya Indonesia lumayan ini Pak. Selisihnya yang Hayabusa ini jauh ini Pak. Hayabusanya udah mau jadi ini Pak.
Time to attack.
Cari creep terus, Dylan. Terus farming.
You're still a long way from beating me.
Di bawah ada pertarungan. Memanggil tim Zilong langsung ulti lari ke situ. Oke, Zilong langsung bantu. Kayaknya mau push tower di situ tapi tidak jadi. Di tengah soalnya ada pertarungan. Oh, terciduk tim Indonesia. Bingung ini sepertinya, masih belum banyak yang ini ya. Pemain baru sepertinya. Maksudnya jarang main bareng sebetulnya. Belum tahu permainan satu sama lain Mbak. Mau menciduk ini sepertinya.
You ever seen an ancient one?
Mundur saja Zilong sama Jushinnya.
You can't hide from my attack.
Mau ambil tower sepertinya, tapi dilindungi pak. Oh, kena towernya. Hilda. Oh, sabar Zilong sama Hilda, tapi cuman tim Indonesia datang terlambat pak. Ada di belakang situ.
I'm loyal to my nation.
Nah, ini buruk ini sepertinya pak. Oh, langsung lot tim Thailand pak. Tim Thailand lot. Ada Balmond di sana, bahaya pak. Terlalu bahaya kalau kita curi. Soalnya Balmond yang spesialis curi lot ya. Aurora juga ada di sana. Kalau ulti juga bahaya. Ulti di lot.
An ally has been slain.
Di tengah semua. Oh, langsung coba ke sana Akai, tapi nggak ada ulti sepertinya. Kena Akai, sayang sekali. Harusnya ultinya disimpan dulu pak. Lot lagi, langsung lot lagi tim Thailand. Tim Thailand ulti lagi. Oh, langsung lot itu pak, kurang dikit pak, bahaya sekali pak. Harley coba ke situ, ke lot. Oh, cepat sekali lotnya. Tim Indonesia harus mundur ini pak. Harusnya Zilong bisa attack ya. Harusnya bisa dia mengalihkan lawan gitu pak. Waduh, pak ultinya di situ pak Akai pak. Waduh.
I have special attack techniques.
Oh, langsung ulti dari Yushin pak. Akai langsung situ lompat, langsung ulti yang bagus, tapi dipatahkan sama Saber pak. Saber kalau gitu pak bahayanya pak. Kalau Akai ulti itu bisa ditangkal sama Saber pak. Wipe up tim Indonesia, langsung dihabiskan kayaknya towernya pak. Tower atas kayaknya ikut ini pak. Oh enggak, langsung pak, langsung situ pak. Gila pak tim Thailand pak. Enggak buang-buang waktu. Aduh, sayang sekali. Match kedua Indonesia. Ini item masing-masing tim ya sob. Oh, ini ya Balmondnya full dev sepertinya ya, pakai full dev. Kita back, tunggu match ketiga pak. Sambil nunggu match ketiga, dengerin lagu dulu sob.
me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Your team enemy is banning. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
There are wonderful things in this world, worthy of our protection.
Grook is powerful.
First blood.
Let Grook go first.
Face me.
Want to know my age? Rock likes sleeping.
Nothing can
Turtle
stop us.
resurrecting soon. Our turret is under attack.
What you need to do is believe. You have to believe it.
An enemy has been slain.
The spear of destiny hit me and will hit you.
Don't be lazy, Leo. Run!
Have you ever seen an ancient one?
There are wonderful things in this world, worthy of our protection.
Sorry, I didn't mean to push you.
Fate is so unfair.
My tiger has been with me.
Our turret is under attack.
Nothing can stop us.
Don't be lazy, Leo. Run!
Come on, give me some food.
Death is quiet and pleasant.
Wanna play wrist wrestling?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Aside evil, there is justice.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
The hellfire will burn you into ashes.
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
reckless.
Ally has slain Lord. Face me. You cannot bear my wrath. Don't be lazy, Leo. Run! Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Let me harness. Your team destroyed a turret.